Oh, hi all. I hope you're all well. I haven't done the technicals for a while. This is a very part-time job for me because I work in a gym and I'm studying to be a personal trainer, and I'm also studying Polish because I want to travel to Poland next year, so I'm really busy. And just with life, I don't get time to do enough of this for the YouTube, so I just do this part time. And I still haven't got down to the eye specialist to get my proper glasses, so you'll just have to bear with me re the double glasses. But look, just want to say, as I normally do, please be kind to yourself, be kind to everyone else around you, be kind to your family and friends. Life is really short, and you just don't know when your number's up, or when friends are up, their number is up, or someone really close to you. And be kind to your animals as well. Just want to look at this market. It still looks really yuck to me. It hasn't consolidated and it's still moving down, which is not a great story. Bitcoin USD on the daily, still got this parabolic sell, still red, all negative, and it really looks like it can get to me down here to about 6935. I want to try and make this quick because I'm really sometimes going just too long, and I apologize for that. Obviously on the 4 hourly, the level is probably 7995, but the daily doesn't look very good. So let's just have a look at Ethereum. I'll do this fairly quickly if I can do it quick. I try to, but it never seems to work that way. Here we go. And I work at night, so I work sort of weird hours at the gym as well, so I have to be around for clients and that sort of thing. The daily on Ethereum is 555.85, still with parabolic sell, all the moving averages, MACDs, histogram, all look pretty yuck. So this market still looks like it wants to head lower. The 4 hourly would be the same. Doesn't look great, so I'd still be short. It's not consolidating, and it looks like it wants to go lower to me. So let's check out Litecoin. I think I'll just look at the dailies at this stage because we haven't seen any consolidation at all. And with no consolidation, it basically means it's still a sell. There's a trend, and it's still pretty much a sell. I mean, Litecoin on the 4 hourly doesn't look that great, lower highs. And again, let's just check out the daily. It's always best to take out the daily because it looks better. You basically have a clearer picture. Litecoin's got a big parabolic sell. It does look like I can get down to this level here, 119.835. Even on the 4 hourly, it does look like it can bounce, but I'd be reluctant to go long in this market. There's been no consolidation, and it looks like it's going down on reasonable volume as well. So let's just check out Ethereum Classic. These are the ones that I normally do trade, and I think we're going to have the same story on everything. So for my money, I would still be short. Ethereum Classic's right on the support here at 17,472. Wouldn't like to see it break that level, because if it does, it could get down to 13.28. I think there's other charts that look a bit more negative than Ethereum Classic. Let's have a look at Neo, so I'd leave that one alone. If I was going to sell, do some more selling, let's just have a look at some of the others first. I'd definitely be selling Neo. Neo on the daily looks like it can go lower to me. Support level is 62.79 on the daily, but I do think it can break that support and potentially head down to 53.19, or maybe even lower, down to 42.57. So you've got this big downward channel on Neo. So Neo looks like a better sell to me. So I'd be looking to sell Neo for my money at this level here. This is not financial advice, it's my own trading. So Neo looks like to me you can hit down to at least 56.68. So I'm a seller of Neo right now. Let's have a look at IOTA as well. Looks more bearish to me than anything else. IOTA on the 4 hourly, you've got a level support probably around $1. Right there at $1. I did say IOTA would get to $1. I don't like the technology, as you know. It doesn't work, and Neo doesn't work either. So IOTA, I'd be a happy seller at IOTA here too. So my bets for my short-term trading are selling IOTA and Neo both here. For a move lower on IOTA to about 74 cents. Let's quickly have a look at Ripple. I want to try and make this short and sweet. Ripple on the daily looks like it can probably get down to potentially 56.40, something like that. Sorry, 57. And it probably has got there already and it's bounced off. I wouldn't like to see it lower than that. If it breaks that level, golly, it's going to do some serious damage if it breaks 56, 55. If it does, well, I don't even want to say where it's going to go. Breaks that level, could head back down to 25 cents. I'd be really surprised if it does, but you just don't know with these markets. But I think 55 is a big level of support. Let's check out the 4-hourly on that one. I've got 67 as level support, but I think probably the bigger level is this level here around sort of 62 to 58. I'll just look at SAN US because I do think that one's very overpriced, and that's probably the only lot I'll look at because I just trade all those. Let's go to the big downward channel, as you can see on the 4-hourly. Let's go back to the daily. I like to take it out to the daily so I can just see properly. SAN US, if it breaks this dollar, it could pretty much head down to 18.25 cents, which was where it was for a long time. There's no reason for me not to sell this. So my main sells for my trading positions, which I hold no longer than, say, 24 to 48 hours, or even 5 hours or 12 hours. My main sells I would be selling for me are NEO US, IOTA US, and SAN US. Anyway, that is short and sweet, only 6 minutes. I hope you're well. I'll talk to you very soon, and I hope you're all okay with your trading. It has been a really hectic market. But look, it's not the end of the world. The main thing is you've got health, you've got love, you look after each other, you've got kind families and friends, and that's the most important thing in life. Look after yourself, guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.